Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can increase the battery life on your AirTags. So usually they last around a year, but there are some ways to increase this time so you don't have to change the battery that quick. So first of all, the thing you can manually do is you can get your AirTag, you press on this silver button, press down and turn counterclockwise, and then you can take out the battery manually and then just leave it out. And of course you won't be able to track the AirTag then, but the battery won't keep deloading, so you're going to save a lot of battery life here. So if you don't need it, just take out the battery and you'll save a lot of battery life that way. The second thing you can do is on your phone in the Find My app. So head on over there, then go to the items and then you want to select the AirTag you want to do this for. Click on that and then you want to scroll down to notifications. Now click on notify when left behind and turn this notification off. Toggle that off and then it won't remind you every time. It won't be sending notifications that often. So if you don't need it, turn this off and that way you save battery life again because it's not constantly trying to contact you and losing battery that way. So two methods. You can try to increase that battery life to over a year. And if you need to change the battery, just press the silver button and then turn counterclockwise and you can take out the battery, switch it out with the new one. You can buy these batteries at almost any store, so just get them there and then you can switch it out. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, just comment down below.